Did you accidentally delete an important photo or multiple photos from the Google Photos application and you now need to get those photos back? I'll show you how to recover them, and let's start by opening the Google Photos app on our mobile phone, whether that's an iPhone or an Android phone, and I'm now on the main Photos page inside of Google Photos, and I'm quickly going to open a couple of photos and delete them real quickly, just as an example for this video. So let's tap on the trash can icon at the bottom, then delete. It says that this photo will be deleted from the library, and it will be in the recently deleted for a period of 30 days. Once you've deleted the photo, you want to go back. Then tap on Collections at the bottom, and then you'll be able to see all of these different options. We will click on the trash, of course, and it's going to open a page where all of your recently deleted photos are stored. You can get them back by opening that photo. And let's say I want to restore this laptop photo, which I've deleted as an example for this video. I'm going to tap on it to open it, and then Restore at the bottom left. Keep in mind that Google will store photos in here for a period of up to 60 days or 2 months. So if you've deleted a photo more than 2 months ago, then the photo will be permanently deleted, and you cannot restore it by doing this. But I suppose that it's a photo which you had recently deleted. And if you don't see your photo in the trash in Google Photos, then it's probably in a different location. There is another method of restoring your photos, and that is by exiting the Google Photos application and then hop over to your regular Photos app. Select the Collections option at the bottom one more time, and then scroll a bit down until you get to this Utilities section here. The Recently Deleted option will be somewhere here, so you want to tap on it, and then scan your face to get access to the recently deleted photos. Maybe you've deleted your photo from the main photo gallery and not from the Google Photos application itself, and those recently deleted photos will be somewhere in here. In order to get the photos back to your gallery, just open the specific photo, hit Recover at the bottom right, and that's it. These are the ways of recovering your photos from the Google Photos application on iPhone or on Android. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you soon.